everyone, welcome back to our channel. Good to see you again. As you might have learned from our previous video, you know now how to generate earning links and share them with your social connections. In this video, we will explore how to check your order reports that you received from sharing those links with your friends or social connections. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you need to log in to your Earnpe dashboard. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Once you are logged in, you will be on the main dashboard screen. Step 2. Look at the left side of your screen where you will find the main menu. Click to open the drop down menu. This is where you will access your all the features and reports. Step 3. Here you will see the report section. Click on it. This will take you to your comprehensive order report. Step 4. Now your complete report will be displayed. You can check individual store wise reports here. For example, under the report section, you will see a store drop down menu. If you want to see the report for Flipkart, select Flipkart. Similarly, if you want to see the report for Myntra, select Myntra and so on. Step 5. You can also view your cancelled reports. To do this, simply open the report and look for the order status drop down. Select cancelled reports from the menu. This will show you any orders that were returned or cancelled by your friends or customer. Now, step 6. Additionally, you can check your reports from previous months. To do this, reopen the report section and look for the date option. Click on it and apply the date filter to see report from your desired time period. So friends, this is how you can check your orders and reports on your Earnpe account. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.